Affiliate Marketing Ultimate Guide. Everything you need to know. Watch this video if you already work in marketing and want to boost your performance or are interested in starting an affiliate marketer journey. A must watch for any online and offline entrepreneur, whether you are an agency marketer, blogger, social media influencer, webmaster, or SEO/SEM professional. Watch the show also if you are just looking for ways to make extra cash from home and understand how you can generate passive income by promoting, sharing, or recommending products and services of multiple businesses. Welcome back, folks, to the awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How you doing today? I'm doing fantastic. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. Today I want to talk to you about affiliate marketing, the ultimate guide, everything you need to know. Number one, affiliate marketing process explained. Now, what is affiliate marketing? This is basically a performance-based model where a merchant rewards its affiliate for attracting visitors or customers. So affiliate management refers to the process of establishing and scaling those relationships with a myriad of marketers that drive traffic and sales. So if you happen to be a blogger or social media influencer or some kind of personality or online celebrity, you can leverage the value of your loyal community through affiliate marketing. So when you have gained the trust of your audience, people are more likely to convert into customers, which in turn will bring you more commissions, right? So instead of getting paid upfront for their marketing efforts, affiliates only get paid when a desired action takes place. So typically the desired action means sales, right? This is a win-win arrangement because it's also good for the merchant because it removes the uncertainty about whether a marketing investment is in fact profitable. Think about it. The merchant is only paying if a sales has taken place, and the affiliate marketer is getting paid also when a sales takes place. Let's talk now about affiliate programs and networks. Now, affiliates are generally managed within an affiliate program, and this is run on a platform where a business places its offers, and affiliates sign up to promote these offers and bring new customers to the business. In return, affiliates receive compensation, usually a percentage of each sale or a fixed sum for bringing in new customers. For example, a company can offer 10% or 15% recurring commissions for every purchase made by your referrals. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, there is another important concept, and that is affiliate network. In simple words, it's just a collection of both affiliate programs and affiliates. So a major difference between the two is that within affiliate programs, businesses only have affiliates that promote their products. In the network, affiliates are free to join and promote multiple products and services in different categories. Let me repeat that. This is very important. A major difference between the two affiliate programs and affiliate networks is that within affiliate programs, businesses only have affiliates that promote their products. In an affiliate network, affiliates are free to join and promote multiple products and services in different categories. So the network, in a sense, will manage all transactions internally and gets a share of the transactions. Therefore, if you join a network, a company needs to pay for both the network and the affiliates. Right? Now, who are those affiliates? So as you can see here, you have affiliates, the merchant, and the customers. Now, the affiliate is also known as the publisher, right? The affiliate will promote products or service and brings the customers in. The customers will purchase the products or service and generate more sales. And then the merchant or advertiser creates the products and pays commissions to affiliates. Now, an affiliate can be any individual or company who helps promote a product or service for a business, right? The promotion can be done, for example, through direct referral, paid advertising, or by creating content such as blog posts, videos, and newsletters. Right now, there's no one size fits all characterization of an affiliate marketer. Now, a common feature is that they will receive an affiliate marketer will receive a commission when his or her visitors create a transaction. This usually refers to sales, but it can also mean signing up for a newsletter or clicking a link, for example. Now, who are the merchants? The merchant is in most cases a business who's also the creator of the product or service. Now, generally in affiliate marketing schemes, the merchant will use a revenue sharing model where they will offer commissions to individuals and businesses who can promote their products, right? So they can range from large enterprises to individual entrepreneurs or even individuals who are willing to pay for the affiliate transactions. So anybody who's willing to share revenue, who's willing to share, say, 10% or 15% of their revenue with other affiliate marketers, this person can be a merchant. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of Sweetie Q. We are still having a conversation around everything you need to know around affiliate marketing. This is the ultimate guide that you need to have to move forward. Now, if you love the content clarity and quality so far, please consider subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you are informed whenever we drop a new show. Also, comment below, share and like. We would like to hear more about affiliate marketers who are among our community members, who are our viewers. Please share your information here. We want to hear more from you. Affiliate marketing pros and cons. Let's talk about pros and cons here. Now, everybody thinks that affiliate marketing is kind of easy. It's not. It's not a shortcut to earning a high level of passive income. It requires a lot of efforts, and you have many unexpected obstacles that may be on your way. To better understand what you're getting yourself into, let's talk about the pros and cons here. What are the pros? Pros: source of passive income. So you're able to generate passive income. Once you create your optimized content and embed your links, you tap into a profitable source of passive income, right? So this allows you to dedicate your time on your main source of income, whether it's a full-time job, office job, or your own business. There are no major investments. So the lack of upfront capital is a huge advantage to thousands of affiliate marketers, because you don't need to make any significant investment with regards to money or time. Once you set up your website and join the affiliate programs, all you need is unique content and your referral links. So getting started doesn't require you to be a marketing professional with many years, if not decades, of experience under your belt. You could just be yourself and just trust the system. Now, so source of passive income and no major investments, those are the pros. Now let's talk about the cons. Cons: you have a high level of competition. It's just amazing. Getting started with affiliate marketing is easy, but it means that competition can be intense between affiliates. Remember, whenever you have low entry barriers in the market, which is the case of affiliate marketing, you're going to have huge competition because the entry barrier is low. So you're competing for leads and clicks and trying to find the most promising affiliate programs while avoiding those that are fraudulent. Another disadvantage here is that you have no control over offers, right? Because as an affiliate marketer, your control over the product or services you're promoting only extend to choosing the affiliate programs. After that, you are on your own. You have no control whatsoever over what you promote. That's why it's very important, and this is a piece of advice we have instilled in our community over the last few weeks and months. Please choose your affiliate programs carefully. Let's talk now about how to get started with affiliate marketing. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing, there are a few things you have to do. Now, in theory, being an affiliate marketer simply means you join the most promising affiliate programs you can find, you insert your referral links to your content, and you wait for your commissions. That's in theory. If you want to do things properly, if you want to earn a gradual, consistent income from your affiliate programs, you need to follow certain guidelines, really. Now, here are a few steps that we believe should help you be a successful affiliate marketer. Find your niche. So you first want to think about what topics you feel passionate about, and you want to narrow down the list to a specific niche. To make sure your business is sustainable in the long term, choose a niche that you're already familiar with so that you have some expertise to offer for your audience. Create a website. If you already have a website, you can skip this step. You want to otherwise start by choosing a domain and buying hosting services, and you make sure that your domain is memorable and easy for people to spell. Build a loyal audience. Audience is very important. It's all about audience owners. You're not going to expect your visitors to convert if you haven't offered them any value. It's critical that you build a loyal audience before starting to monetize your content, right? So because monetizing too early, if you think about it, it's actually one of the top 10 mistakes people will make, because you are more interested in money than providing value. All right. So think about monetization. Once you have picked your niche and built an audience, you need to think about how to monetize it. Whatever you choose to write about, or even vlog about, or even talk about, make sure that it's adding value to your audience now and in the long run. You might have some conflict between your passion and profitability, but if your primary goal as an affiliate marketer is to make money, the monetization aspect is important. So you want to research all kinds of possibilities out there to confirm that your niche has enough monetary potential, right? Because if people are not buying, you're not collecting commission. So you don't want to end up in a lethargic, in a dead end sort of niche where people are just reading, they're just watching, but never buying, or that they don't have the money in the first place. So that's what I call monetary potential. You want to make sure your niche has sufficient monetary potential. You also want to choose between affiliate programs and networks. I explained earlier the distinctions between the two. So you just want to try your hand at affiliate marketing and see how it works. So you want to see which one works for you. The last thing you want to do is to focus on SEO and promotion. Now, search engine optimization is important, and promotion as well, because after you create valuable content, you need to optimize it for the search engine. I mean, Google's algorithm is not going to find you unless you talk to it in a certain way, and the language it understands is SEO. So by doing the proper SEO strategy, you are maximizing your visibility and leads to more traffic, conversions, and commissions. It means that you are carrying out keyword analysis for your content before the actual creation process. In other words, you have to start doing keyword research before starting the writing process, or the talking process, or the video shooting. You need to find the keywords with the highest traffic related to your niche. You can use Google Keyword Planner, for example. That's a great tool to get you started. Keep in mind, though, that your main goal is to convert visitors instead of just attracting a large number of visitors to your site. So in addition to SEO, you have to focus on promoting your affiliate offers. The best strategy is to add value with useful content such as product reviews, offer discounts, and create email marketing campaigns, right? Don't be too promotional or pushy. No. Strike the right balance here. You will achieve a better conversion rate with insightful content that adds value to people's life. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of Sweetie Kiwi. I hope you are doing fantastic. We're still here talking about affiliate marketing's ultimate guide. Everything you need to know. And we're going to give this to you in less than 20 minutes. Now, traffic strategies, paid or free, when it comes to generating traffic. Now, as you probably know, traffic is the volume of visitors you get to your landing page, right? It's an important factor in determining how many potential customers you can bring for the merchant. Now, you have to think about two things here. Do you want free traffic or do you want paid traffic? Now, if we look at free traffic, the most common methods include content creation and SEOs, right? So you want to lump those two processes content creation and SEO into valuable content on different platforms. This can be social media channels, blogs, and YouTube. So the key point here is that your content offers value to your audience. So they are watching, they are rating, and after reading it or watching, they're convinced that you are a thought leader in the process. You have added value to their lives. So converting them is highly unlikely unless you've established yourself as an expert in your niche, in your chosen niche. So once they see you as a thought leader, they will easily convert. So SEO refers to optimizing your website so that it ranks higher in search engines. So there are many different SEO techniques, and if you want to read more about them or learn more about them, we have an entire show dedicated to SEO. As a matter of fact, we have an entire playlist covering SEO techniques, right? Now, so that's free traffic. Now, paid traffic means that you are buying ad space to promote your affiliate offers. There are different ways to do this. For example, you may pay for conversions only, or you may pay for views or clicks. It all depends on your goals, right? But in most cases, merchants pay commissions only for conversions, which is why it's the most common way of using paid ads as an affiliate marketer. Deciding between paid and traffic is really up to you. It really depends on your strategy, it depends on your niche, it depends on your target audience, right? So if you can afford using the paid methods, it can pay off since you are getting more instant results and you have a higher potential to earn a lot. And if you have the time, you might want to use both paid and free methods to attract traffic. All right. So this is it, folks. Affiliate Marketing Ultimate Guide. Everything you need to know in less than 20 minutes. So in today's conversation, I talked about affiliate marketing process, affiliate programs and networks. Who are the affiliates? Who are the merchants? Affiliate marketing pros and cons. How to get started with affiliate marketing. And traffic strategies, paid or free. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.